Hi, I'm Julia Clancy, and today I'm going to show you how to tie the Rosette sequin turban, and the same works for the silk ones as well. So we've got this lovely big knot at the front here, you can see, and then like a lot of the other turbans, they've got a little bit of elastic at the back here just to allow for fit. I do normally send these are ready tied, but because everyone has a different size head, I think it's important that you kind of untie them and then redo them yourself so you get a really snug fit on them. We've got the centre back seam again, where the label's going to be, and we've got the elastic. We're going to place it at the back of the head. And then again, we're going to grab these. We've got two ties here, okay? We're going to grab this firm, and then we're going to get one of the ties, and I can do this on my head, but I'm just showing you it's easier on the mannequin. You might find it easier, some people, if you have problems when you're putting the turbans on and fixing it yourself. You can just buy a little foam head online very easily, and they're very easy. You can just literally slip it onto one of those heads. These are a little slippy, they just look prettier today. And then you can actually do them on that. You might find that a lot easier, especially some of the other styles which are harder to do. So we've got it, and we're gonna get one of the ties, and we're gonna twist it. And just keep twisting. And these ones have wire in them as well, just to kind of, because it's a heavier fabric, really helps it stay in shape. So we'll keep twisting and twisting. And then what we're gonna do is get it and put it into like a little rosette. Now I'm going to get this one, I'm gonna put it actually underneath the other one, now that I've done that. And I'm going to twist it around into a circle. I'm not sure if you can see what I'm doing here. So see how I'm twisting that round? And we just keep twisting it into a little rosette. So we're just going round in a circle, twisting that round. And then as we bring it round, you can actually, depending on how big you want it, you can slip it underneath, like so. See how I'm pulling that tight there? And then we've got that little end. That's gonna come underneath, and because it's got the wire, we'll squidge it in properly later. We've got the second piece, started twisting this round. We're doing the same thing. We're just twisting this round, and then we are just wrapping this around like this. If you want to make it slightly smaller, you can really pull it tight underneath. And I'm getting the end, and I'm just wrapping it around. And because it's got its wire, you can just literally shove it in like that. It will just stay in place. And that is how you tie the Rosette turban.